Welcome back to the channel, and thank you guys for being here with me today. On today's video, I have a nice half bath that we're gonna redo. We're not gonna change any walls or anything like that. It's just gonna be basically remove and replace, upgrade all the items in the bathroom, like remove all the wall tile, remove the tub, floor tile, the toilet, the vanity, countertop, mirrors, wallpaper, pretty much everything. So we're just gonna get it all out of there and just get all new stuff in there. And it's of course gonna be all very nice stuff. It's gonna be upgraded. So we're gonna add a soap box to it, and also we're gonna add a shower pan to it. We're gonna add those rectangular drains towards the front of the shower, and so we're gonna make it look very nice, and hopefully you guys like the video. We're gonna have all new floor tile. I'm gonna make the vanity for this remodel, so wait for a video about that vanity, how I made it, and then we're gonna do all the texture and paint, and it's gonna look beautiful once we're done. So stick around guys and enjoy the video. Alright, so here we have this guest bath that we're going to be remodeling. You can see that old wallpaper that used to be very popular back in the mid 1990s to early 2000s. Same thing with the square tile on the floor and the square tile in the tub area. And also they used to use these very low vanities. They were only like 30 inches tall or so. And then for whatever reason, they used to have that marble top going across the toilet. It was very annoying for the homeowners. So here we start doing the demo. Like we said, we're not gonna be moving no walls or nothing like that. So we're just gonna be removing all the old and coming in with the new. So stick around for the video, guys, and please like and subscribe. Thank y'all. So we started shipping the towel, and the towel actually came off pretty easy. Came all in just big old chunks. After that, we did a little bit more scraping, so we have a better surface for the tile. So we brought out the Bosch for the tile removal, the thin set that was there, and we attached the vacuum to it, something that I created after seeing other videos to see how they do it whenever they do dustless removal. And that seems to work great. You can see here there's no dust at all. I like it. My plumbers came by and removed the tub. That thing was so heavy. Anyway, they're cleaning the area where they're gonna have the new drain installed. I don't know if you can see, but there's a water line that's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be pushed back behind the actual wall, but since there was a tub, there was some space underneath, and sometimes they don't push them back, they just leave them there. If you do something like that, you're gonna have to ship out the concrete. But anyway, here's the tub. That thing was so heavy, we had to move it out the old school way. Just get some PVC pipes and roll it out, because it's so heavy, and having wood floors, so we did not want to damage anything like that, because that's going to be super expensive. So we have to do a little ingenuity to pull it out of there. So it was fun. Here you can see the pipes that's sticking out of the wall, so we have to shape out the concrete so we can actually push it back some, so the hardy backer and everything else will fit nice and flush like it's supposed to be. wallpaper. I already put new plumbing fixtures, and we also did all the plumbing here where we removed the tub and we put the drain for the new shower pan that we're gonna have, and it's gonna drain from that end to that end. It's gonna have those new rectangular shower drains that go pretty much along the edge of the wall there. So that's what we're gonna be doing. If you saw in the video, we were chipping the concrete a little bit to make room for the pipes. The pipes were on this side of the 2x4s, both of them. So we had to like chip it out and being super careful not to, of course, get a hole in the pipe. So we moved it back and make sure they were clear, and then we put that metal plate so to protect the pipes. And also I'm going to do some extra insulation here. If you noticed last year there was a bunch of busted pipes here in Texas due to the weather. I mean, it dropped down to like minus 14 or 15, I can't remember, and we had a bunch of busted pipes. Like every job, you want to make sure that whenever you're doing something, you have peace of mind when you're done with your job, to make sure that whatever you're doing is done correctly, and hopefully we don't have no problems, because we hate coming back to any of the jobs that we do. So like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and thank you all for watching. We have done the hardy backer, we did the soapbox there, got the plumbing done already, so we still got to do the shower pan and then finish with the hardy and make sure that there's no leaks on the shower pan. Do a water test before we finish it out. But right now, as you can see here, this wallpaper, I'm just gonna show you guys what I do to remove it. I'm gonna have a video of how to remove wallpaper with more details, and this is just a very quick intro to that. We basically come in and just cut the wallpaper up. Don't go too deep into the drywall, just barely enough on top to get a few cut lines. That way, whenever we put the steamer on there, it's gonna get behind there, and actually it's gonna start getting the glue, getting it loose, so you're able to peel it off just like you see here. That seems to be the best way of removing wallpaper without any tear on the actual sheetrock paper. If you do have some tear on there, it's not a big deal, because you're gonna come in anyway and you're gonna give it a quick skim, a quick flub, and get it all ready for texture once you're done with the removal of the wallpaper. We got the wallpaper removed. We moved the light from there to there. We blocked it behind there so the light will be sturdy. And we got all this nice and smooth. The wall was uneven. As you guys know, most of the walls, a lot of the times in my cases, the walls are being pretty crooked, so we have to straighten it out, which we have done already. So what's next to do is shoot the texture. We're gonna be matching the existing texture, which is just a Monterey drag. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna be installing the baseboards, which is not a lot, basically just this little area here behind the door. And that's it. Then we got a new piece of trim that we're gonna put up here. As you guys know on the video before, I like to bring my hardy all the way to the edge, and the reason why is because wet area, moisture behind the door jamb, you're never going to see it, but if anything happens, this is going to be protected instead of just having sheetrock there. And besides, the finished product looks very nice and clean. So once that's done, we're going to put once the texture is done, we're going to put the molding here, top and side, bottom, and then paint Siemens white, and then the, I don't know what color they picked on the walls. And once they we finish painting that, then it's ready to install the vanity, which as you guys know, I had made a vanity for this one. So there's another link on the description down below that'll show you how I build that vanity. So I suggest go see it, guys. If you're a DIYer that want to see those type of videos, recommend seeing that one. It's very simple and took me about a day and a half to build it. Maybe I could have done it in one day, but I had to make me a router table, which I also have another video about it, so stick around for that one too. So anyway, so we have vanity here, countertop, vanity top, install the toilets, fixtures, and then light, mirrors, camera, action, and we're done. So alright, so just stick around for the video, and thanks for subscribing. All you guys that had commented on the other previous videos, I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all. And here we have the finished product. I hope you guys liked this video. Just a quick recap. So we built the vanity, we demo everything and put new all upgraded tile, fixtures, vanity top, toilet, floor tile, and drain and plumbing. The only electrical we did was just move the light over to center it to the vanity. Here you can see all the very nice workmanship that we done here with this vanity. Not only with the vanity, but with the rest of the whole complete remodel of this guest bath. And everything was done very nicely. The fit finish was perfect. Homeowners are very happy, and when they are happy, you know that we're always going to be happy too. And the finished product that you get from us is going to be a quality finished product. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all in the next one.